everybody, good morning. I'm Meenakshi. I'm working in Ralabella International School. So today we are going to learn letters, how to write. Okay, so I hope you all know that you already learned in LKG, right? So once again we'll see how to write. Okay, let's start. Okay, we start writer letters. Okay, whenever you are writing capital letters, you can use only the top 3 lines. Okay, means red line, blue line, blue line. Don't touch the down red line. Okay, now we'll start. So we'll start from the down line to go up and come down. Then you need to write here sleeping line. Okay, now we'll write a small a, open curve, go up and come down with a standing line. Now we'll move to the another letter. What comes A after? B, right? Close curve, standing line, close curve. Now we'll write a small b, standing line and close curve, small b. Now we'll write capital C, open curve, a big open curve from red line to blue line, and the small c you need to write only blue 2 lines. Okay, now we'll go to another letter. D, standing line, a big close curve. Okay, now for small d we'll write standing line and you need to write a open curve. Which curve? Open curve. Now we'll go for E. So you need to write from, I told you, red line to blue line, standing line, sleeping line, capital E, right? Now a small e you need to write sleeping line here and open curve. Okay, sleeping line here and you need to write a open curve from here. Okay, now we'll go for F. So now you need to write a standing line, sleeping line, here a small sleeping line, F. Now for small f you need to write here a small curve and go down with a standing line, then here a small sleeping line. Okay, you need to go down a small curve first, then go down with a standing line, then sleeping line, F. Okay, now we'll go for G. Here we'll write a big open curve, go up, then come back with the same line and come down with a standing line. It's a capital G. Now we'll write a small g, open curve, go up. You all know the 9 how to write, right? In the same way, and little bit turn up. That's a baby G. Okay, now after G what comes? H, right? So we need to start from here to a big standing line, again a big standing line. Now you need to write a sleeping line. What is it? H. Now we'll write a small standing line, then down curve. Now H after I. So write standing line, a small sleeping lines here and down also. Okay, now for baby I we need to write a small standing line with only blue 2 lines. Okay, and dot. Now for J we need to write a sleeping line and standing line. We need to write a little bit turn up. Okay, now for small j you need to write a standing line, little go up and you put dot here. standing line, a big slanting lines. Okay, from here to here one slanting line, then down. One more slanting line. K. Now a small K, we need to write a standing line. Here only in the blue two lines we need to write a small slanting lines. Now K after L. So we'll write standing line, your sleeping line, capital L, and now baby L only for standing line. That's it. Now M. So we need to write M all the times from the down to up. Come down, again go up, again come down. So it's a capital M. So you need to write a standing line, slanting line, again slanting line, standing line. Then now a small M. So small m for standing line, and see you need to write a curves, down curves. Okay, standing line, down curve, down curve, M. Okay, now go for N. We need to write again from down to up, come down, go up. And see, you need to write from go up and come down, again go up. Now we write a baby N. Write in the same way like M also, standing line, and you need to write a down curve. Okay. So how we need to write, start from here, like then go up. Okay, it's like a OL. Okay, now for small O you need to write only in the blue two lines. Okay, now P. Write capital P. I told you need to start from top three lines. Use only top three lines. Now for small p you need to go down and touch the down red line. Now write a close curve. After that Q. Now it's like a zero round. Okay, then you need to put a small slanting line. Now for small q you need to write in a like 9. How will you write? In the same way, then you need to go up with a slanting line. Okay, now q after r. So standing line, you need to roll your tongue whenever you say r. Okay, like standing line, close curve, and slanting line. So mama. Now baby, standing line, go up and little bit curve. Okay, you need to give a little bit curve. Now yes, open curve, close curve, S. Now baby S only in the blue two lines. Again in the same way, open curve and close curve. Now T, standing line, a big sleeping line. For small t, you need to use standing line, little turn up, and here you need to put a sleeping line. See, you need to put a sleeping line here, not on the blue line. Okay. So now we'll write T after U. So you start from here, up curve. For U, you need to write a up curve. Again now a small up curve and come down with a standing line. U. Now what comes U after? V. So here we'll write V. Slanting line, again one more slanting line, V. Okay, then for small v we'll write again so So we can see where, yeah, both the V's, it looks like same, but only the difference, you need to use capital top 3 lines. For small, you need to use a blue 2 lines. Okay. Now W, V after W. So W also in the same way, you need to write a 2 V's. See, one V and another V. Okay, this is W. In the same way, you need to write even small w also in the blue 2 lines. Now X, slanting line, again a big slanting line. Again a small X, need to write in only blue 2 lines. Okay. Now for Y, we'll write a slanting line here and a big slanting line from top to bottom. Now for small y, we'll write it's like U. First you need to write a U and come down with a standing line, a little turn up. It's a small y. And what is it, the last letter in English alphabet? Yes, it's a Z. So now you need to write a sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay, sleeping line. Now for small z, you need to write again in the blue 2 lines. See, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay, now you have to practice all these letters, right? So after that you need to do your homework also. Thank you so much. Bye bye.